Quinoa, one superfood that has actually flooded the markets based on its high nutritional value and which offers a range of health benefits. Undoubtedly, if you're including quinoa in your diet, I have absolutely no problem with it, but I'm sure that you cannot deny the fact that the grain I'm going to talk about today in this video is worthwhile to include in your diet as well. And if you are someone who is looking for an alternative for quinoa, which is cheaper than quinoa, at the same time it provides an equal or even greater amount of health benefits and have a better nutrition profile, then this is the grain for you. It is local, it is inexpensive, it is time tested, it is versatile and has got a very high nutritional value. So if you want to know about this grain, then keep watching. Hi, this is Priyanka Gupta and welcome to my channel. The grain I am talking about is none other than amaranth. Amaranth, which is also known as Rajgira or Ramdana, and it has also got various other several local names as well. And this amaranth is basically classified as a pseudo cereal, just like quinoa. So pseudo cereals are basically non-cereal grains. So technically they are not exactly cereal grains, they are seeds, but which is used and consumed as grains. So amaranth is typically used as a fasting food, like in Navratri and all, and there's a reason why it's known as it's used as a fasting food, because fasting foods are such that is high in protein, high in fiber. It actually helps in easy digestion as well, so it's easy to digest and it keeps you active. So amaranth has got a lot of health benefits and a very high nutritive value. It has got very high amount of protein, double the amount of protein than your rice, your white rice, your brown rice, oats or even wheat, and even higher protein than that of quinoa. So 1 cup of amaranth actually can give you 9 grams of protein, in fact more than 9 grams of protein. Amaranth has got complete protein, that means it also contains an essential amino acid called lysine, which is usually absent in other cereal grains, therefore making it a complete protein. That means the protein present in amaranth is actually very easily and quickly absorbed in our bodies. So it is excellent in quality as well as quantity of protein. Number 2, it has got a very high amount of iron, which is twice the amount of iron than that of quinoa. Amaranth is very rich in manganese. In fact, it can actually provide you the daily requirement of manganese if you have 1 cup of amaranth on a daily basis. Apart from it, it is rich in magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, zinc, fiber, antioxidants, even range of B complex vitamins. So it has got a very high nutritive profile, making it our local superfood. Now coming to the health benefits of amaranth. Firstly, it's really excellent for a brain function, as it's an excellent source of manganese. Like I said, it gives you a complete daily requirement of manganese if you have 1 cup of amaranth daily. So it's really good for your brain function, especially for children, especially for growing children. And apart from it, it also helps in protecting against various neurological conditions. Secondly, it's excellent for a bone and muscle health, as it's rich in potassium, phosphorus, protein and magnesium. And it's good for increasing your RBC count or hemoglobin count because it's rich in protein, copper and iron. It's also anti-inflammatory, so it helps in reducing the risk of various diseases like your heart problems, your cancer and even autoimmune diseases as well. And it helps in reducing your LDL cholesterol levels as well, which again helps in improving or reducing the risk of your cardiovascular problems. It is also helpful for those who are looking for weight loss because it helps in controlling the appetite because of its high protein and fiber content. It also helps in regulating the blood sugar levels as it's rich in protein, fiber and magnesium. So it's good for people with diabetes. It is also gluten free, so people with celiac disease or having gluten intolerance can consider amaranth in the diet. It's good for digestive health because of its high fiber content, plus it's a great immunity booster because of the protein, copper, selenium and various antioxidants present in it. Now if I talk about the versatility of this grain, amaranth is available in the form of flour, in the form of seeds or grains and even leaves. And The flour can be used to make chapatis and rotis. The seeds of the grains can be used for making porridges, khichdi, upma, and the leaves of the amaranth can be used to make vegetable curry. So there are various ways in which you can actually experiment with amaranth. Depending on you, how you like it, you can cook it in the way you want it. So you see the range of health benefits amaranth offers to us. It's local to us, it's inexpensive, it's much cheaper than the superfoods available in the markets today. Yet, we fail to use this oftenly in our diet. So it's actually high time to consider amaranth as a staple food as well. So yes, that's all for today. Hope you really liked this video. If you really liked this video, then please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you do not miss on any of my future videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished and always keep it simple, smart and effective.